All right, let's dive in and make you an absolute pro at picking pomegranates.
You're not alone. The secret to a perfect pomegranate is really all about timing.
Think of this as your secret weapon for finding that peak flavor every single time.
So the season runs from fall into winter, but there is a definite sweet spot.
So, what makes these months so special? Well, it all comes down to the climate. That combo of hot days and cool nights is what creates that perfect sweet tart flavor. And get this, over 95% of pomegranates grown in the US come from California.
Okay, so what does that actually mean for the fruit you find at the store?
Honestly, the difference is huge. We're talking way sweeter, juicier, and so much more vibrant.
So here's your simple checklist for when you're at the grocery store. Just keep these 5 simple things in mind. It's that easy.
Weight is a dead giveaway. The heavier it feels, the juicier it's going to be.
And yeah, if you see any soft spots or cracks, just put it back.
Okay, you've got the perfect fruit. Now, how do you keep it that way?
As you can see, keeping it whole and in the fridge makes a huge difference.
And a ripe fruit isn't just tastier, it's way easier to open too. Those juicy seeds add a burst of flavor and color to pretty much anything.
So, if you remember one thing, make it this. Peak season is everything.
Now you're in on the secret. Go out there and enjoy the harvest.